Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the Custom Ichimoku Indicator for MT4. All right, so now if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. You're going to find the link to download the indicator. After doing that, you need to head over to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. Of course, you need to extract the file first from the compressed folder. Okay, after adding it to your indicators folder for MT4, you just have to head back to your navigator and refresh. After doing that, you should find the Custom Ichimoku Indicator here. Then you drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then as for your input settings, you can see the customizable settings here. If you want all these to be displayed, you just ensure that they are on true. Anyone that you do not want to be displayed, you just change it to false. Okay, and then you can see all these other values. Once you are done modifying, if you have anything to modify, then you click on OK. And now this is the indicator. So it is designed to give you clear trend direction, stronger momentum insights, and of course support and resistance levels. This upgraded version of the classic Ichimoku system streamlines signals and improves chart readability. Okay, so you can be able to spot breakouts, reversals, and good trade setups with a level of confidence, right? So if you are conversant with the Ichimoku Kinko Hayo system, then you know that the Kumo cloud, helps to serve as a dynamic support and resistance, right? When you have price trading above the cloud, you should be looking out for buy opportunities. Then when you have price trading within the cloud, you can just take a pause, right? And then when price breaks below the cloud, you want to look out for sell opportunities. Then you also pay attention to the crossovers between the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen, and then of course, if you also make use of the Chikou span, you can also, look for price being above it for sell opportunities and price being below it for buy opportunities, right? So when using this indicator, also get confirmations from candlestick patterns, right? Always get confirmations from candlestick patterns. It's always good to get confluence before executing a trade. Okay, when you have confluence in place, you can have a better confidence in entering that trade. Okay, so now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you want to consider doing that because there are a lot of valuable content being shared on this channel and you wouldn't want to miss out. Okay, don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you get updated when a new video drops. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.